Welcome back to Trainer Heads. This is your boy Steve, and I have a guest review. Would you like to introduce yourself to the camera?
Hey up guys, Restock Reeler here. I've been asked to come down with Trainer Heads, the lovely guys at Trainer Heads, and we're going to have a look at Yeezy 350 today.
So, Yeezy 350s, Mr. Yeezy is back. Adidas has lifted their embargo. They have set him free. We have now got our Yeezys. They're back. It was a long road, but we're back. This might be one of my favorite Yeezy 350s. The history on these came out 2022, June 2022. They was meant to be restocked earlier this year, but obviously Mr. West became Mr. Controversial, and yeah, we've finally got them back, and I'm happy. What do you think? You happy with these?
I mean, how can you go wrong? You've got a triple black Yeezy. It's been overdue. We had the breads. We had similar, dark colors of Yeezys, but to get a fully black Yeezy is overdue. And you know what? When they look like this, how can you complain?
Yeah.
The Yeezy 350 V2, for a lot of people, you've seen colorways, you've seen it over the years, and to be honest, it's pretty timeless. You look at the silhouette, you look at the colorway, and you can't go wrong. I mean, you got the Ultra Boost midsole, super comfy. Anyone that owns a 350 will tell you that's their comfiest shoe in their collection. Maybe a slide, it's not technically a shoe, but I mean, and when you got a shoe that you want to wear because it's comfy, why not get it in all black? And I mean, we had breads, which are a great shoe, the black and the red. We had the core red, which is a bit loud with the red strip. So when it comes in the triple black, it's just happy days. And they've adopted some things from the OG V2s, which are like the strap, the pull tab they had at the back, even the exposed prime net, because some of the new plastic ones sort of cover it off.
Yeah, I've noticed that my other 350s don't have that.
And even the infinity laces that some of them have, I'm not a big fan of that.
Yeah.
So they've sort of stepped back a bit, gone for that OG stuff, which I love because I love the pull tab. I love the laces that actually come with it, not the infinity stuff. And they've wrapped it up in, like you said, you love that all black outfit.
I love it all black.
So why not get the shoes that are all black too?
I also like this feature, the exposed mesh right here. You can see the see-through mesh. You can't really see it on camera, but on the close-ups I'll give you a show. But I do like that because I had what's it called, when the Nike Reacts, when they came out, I liked that when you wear different colors you can actually literally see them. So if you wear some funky colors you can literally see through this prime knit. This by far is my most comfortable Yeezys. In terms of sizing, I would say you would need to go like half size if you're wide-footed, but it's a very narrow, because of the prime knit technology. It's very tight and very snug foot, especially when you pull the laces on it. So the design's great. It's a very, very good design. Kanye smashed it with this. It's a shame he doesn't own the patent for it, because that's where Adidas are taking the money for it.
That's where they had him at stalemate.
They had him at a stalemate. So Yeezy 350 Onyx black. Would you cop, rock, or drop?
For me, I think it's a very, very easy rock. I think if you get these and you don't have any 350s, then you're crazy not to get them on foot, first of all. And if you do have one or two pairs, again, you're crazy because you need a fourth or third. These are the sort of shoes that you get on your feet, you wear with any outfit you want, and it works. And the occasion is any occasion you want, really. You want to go to the gym, as we mentioned before, you want to chill or whatever. Easy rock every day of the week.
Touch, the texture of everything, it feels so much, it feels more premium for me. It feels very premium, very, very premium.
No, so, I'm 100% a fan of V2s in general. I mean, and I love the colorways because this whole earth tone concept that Kanye's worked with. So it's very hard to get an ugly V2 for me, in my personal opinion.
Very hard, very, very hard. So yeah, definitely a cop and a cop.
Rock.
And a rock. Yeah, that's us. Trainer Heads, Steve, Yeezy 350 Onyx Black. Follow us on all social media, on the TikTok, Trainer Heads 24/7.
Check out me too. Check out your boy Restock Reeler. As always, always a pleasure to be here, man.
No problem.
Thank you very much for having me.
No worries.
It's been a good day. It's been a good time.
We're going to be getting more guest reviews. This was one we haven't done in a long time. We definitely wanted to do this one, and happy that we've done it. So yeah, make sure you follow us both on all our social medias, and we'll catch you on the next review. So peace.